Picture this, 60 seconds from now, you own a 100% automated travel agency inside a $2.1 trillion a year mega niche. Not a someday agency, a live, functioning, commission-generating machine, auto-booking over 1 million hotels and apartments, 4,000 plus airlines, 100,000 plus car services, 50,000 plus attractions, and unlimited experiences like private tours, business trips, cruises, luxury spas, and more. You didn't build a website, you didn't call a developer, you didn't write a single line of code, you just clicked a button. This is Nomad AI, the world's first one-click system that builds you a fully automated, done-for-you travel agency in under a minute. No tech skills, no experience, no team. Just you, one click, and a business that gets you paid every time someone books a trip. Think of it as the Booking.com and Airbnb killer nobody saw coming, except this time you're the one collecting the commissions. Here's the wild part. You don't even need customers to benefit. Use it yourself and unlock massive discounts on your own vacations or travel completely free. That's not a bonus feature. That's just one of the standard features of Nomad AI. Because every time someone stays somewhere or books anything, you get paid. Let's break down what you're actually getting. Big niche, 1.4 billion travelers per year spending $2.1 trillion a year. Your completely automated done-for-you travel agency in seconds. Powered by GPT 5.5, Claude 4.6, Gemini 3.1, Grok 2 plus 100 plus top AI models. Loaded with 1 million hotels and apartments. Loaded with 4,000 plus airlines. Loaded with 100,000 plus car services. 50,000 plus attractions. 1,000s of restaurants, tours, and more. Get discounts on your own holidays and even travel for free. Get paid when friends and family travel. Get paid whenever anyone books anything. Monetize further with affiliate programs, banner ads, and Google AdSense. It automatically creates blog posts using our DFY Blog Builder AI module. AI posts daily viral lists like top 10 places in Europe in July with your affiliate link auto-added. In-depth, step-by-step, over-the-shoulder training videos. Nothing to install, plus hosting included. Special bonus, get a free reseller license if you purchase today. We send you free traffic every day. 100% newbie-friendly, 24/7 support, money-back guarantee. Why now? The travel industry moves $2.1 trillion a year, and post-pandemic revenge travel has people spending more on trips than ever before. This isn't a shrinking market, it's a gold rush, and most people don't even know it's happening. And the tech behind it? Pure AI. No manual work, no writing, no customer service, no guesswork. Whether it's luxury getaways, group tours, cruises, digital nomad stays, or corporate travel, the software handles it all, automatically, in the background, 24/7. Getting started takes 3 clicks. Log in and name your done-for-you travel agency, watch the magic happen in under 60 seconds, relax and let Nomad AI run the whole show. From that moment on, every booking is tracked, every commission is tagged to you, and every payment lands automatically. Beta users are already clearing 6 figures with this exact model before the public even had access. But here's the catch. Doors are closing very soon. This isn't scarcity for effect. Access to Nomad AI is genuinely limited, and software like this doesn't come around often, maybe once a year, if that. Early bird pricing is live right now. This is your shot to own a piece of the $2.1 trillion a year travel industry without the overhead, the inventory, or the guesswork. Nomad AI hands an entire done-for-you business in a box to you, minus the chaos. Remember, you have to hurry. The one-time price is limited to the initial launch only. So don't wait for the price increase. Right now you can snatch it less than what a small pizza costs. You're just minutes away from finally being able to make it online. Click the Buy Now button below and let's connect personally on the next page.